Guys, if you're looking to send multiple bulk messages on a WhatsApp platform, please stay tuned, because I have a powerful tool for you that allows you to send media, anything you want, in multiple bulk sends. So let's get straight into it right now. So here we go, guys. It's WaPower.net, okay, WhatsApp Power, and it is the best free WhatsApp bulking sending tool. It's a powerful mass communication tool that allows users to send messages to multiple customers with just one click. How incredible is that, right? It's perfect for business looking to streamline the communication efforts and reach a larger audience. So with WhatsApp Power, you can easily send updates, promotions, and other important information to their customers in a timely and efficient manner. Just hit the try free button and get involved right now. So this is a workspace. It's an advanced enterprise platform other than just the bulk sending, okay? It focuses on customer management, seamlessly integrating marketing with the great increasing sales. So it provides comprehensive services including CRM, messaging tools, WhatsApp to assist business thriving, which I'm going to show you right now. The reason everybody is talking about this is because of their dashboard, all right? It's easy to navigate. It has different features from the dashboard of the extension, which includes Send Messages Pro, and View Statistics. Real-time conversation where you can send messages to different customers at once. Just input their numbers and an exit file of the numbers you want with one click and send your message to all of them. This can literally be thousands of people at once, okay? Custom message where you can easily create message templates and send messages to the customers from the pre-made templates with just a single click. Statistics of sending your message and viewing reports regarding all the messages that you have sent, which include numbers of messages sent, failed, duplicate, and messages for more. Look on this, right? It's very professional, very user-friendly. You can see on the left here what it starts to look like. It's simple click and drag, all right? There's not a lot of confusing things to go with. You can actually book a demo, try it for free, and decide if you're not interested. I'm going to show you in the pricing what you get. Now it has CRM integrates, okay, which makes you stronger social skills specifically designed for WhatsApp CRM, and directly access to the large number of customers via WhatsApp. You can see it looks like this now with how many numbers. This person on this example has 542 numbers. So like I said, you can literally send to so many people, hundreds and hundreds, up to thousands of people. Efficiently handling both managing international customer contacts and pursuing external leads. Creating custom message templates for your business, so it will help you developing them templates, okay? Guys, I want to stress to you that this is the most incredible tool out there right now for what it does, okay? It's a brand new enterprise that is purely focused on making your business a lot better. Now let's have a look at the gallery. Look how professional it looks, like how easy it looks. At the top, you got Send Message Pro, Group Tools, Statistics, all right? It's not confusing how to use this. It's got a lot of insights in there with simple number and color coordinations. It just tells you how many totals you got, how many duplicate you got successful, and how many have failed in total. Now, I know what you're thinking. We're getting to the pricing, George. This is going to cost a lot of money. You're wrong. The pricing is the best bit. Look at this. For free, you can get a trial version. I do recommend doing that, okay? And 53 message limit, limited access to features, but you don't get any updates. With the Pro package, which is the most popular because everyone just goes straight to that, just like I did, $149. That's $149 for life. You never pay it again. You pay it once. You invest in yourself this once, and you have this for life. You have the Pro version, unlimited message, unlimited access features, and lifetime updates. Simply just press get it and get involved right now. Now, how do you use it once you've clicked that, guys? If you've already beat me to it and hit that link down below to get that deal, then you're going to be at the how to use section. You want to first of all install WhatsApp Power extension on your browser, then click the icon of the extension. It'll take you to your WhatsApp web. If you're not logged into WhatsApp, please do that right now before you start doing this, all right? Make sure you log in first. After that, select any of the features from the menu that you want to use and follow the steps inside the feature. But you only get that if you click that link down below and get involved right now. There you go, guys. Hit that link down below to get everything that I spoke about with the amazing price that I showed you. And then do me the huge honor of hitting the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell if you want to be notified. And I'll see you next time.